so we got the pups holiday sweaters. So this is Pongo's, and we're gonna attempt to put it on him. Ready? Oh. Come on, you like sweaters.
Oh my gosh.
It fits perfect, Pongo. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Aren't you a handsome fella? You're so festive. What'd you think? What do you think about it? You still don't know if you like it or not? Minnie, he's okay. Good Lord. Okay, so here's Minnie's holiday sweater, and it's got a little kind of like argyle print on it and little tassels. So cute. Let's see if we can get it on her. Come here, Minnie. Oh, Minnie likes sweaters, don't you? Here, come up closer. Oh, Minnie. Oh, now. You be nice. You be good girl. Minnie! Hey!
Minnie Mouse, that's naughty.
There's your sweater, you little bitch. Now you'll be warm.
Autumn, are you worried about her?
Minnie, you're ridiculous. Minnie! You warming up to it now? You like it? You look real pretty. It fits you perfect. Hey Dreamy Eyes! Alright, welcome back to another vlogmas. Me and my lovely grandmother are gonna go check out the local library, and you guys get to come with us. Let's go. Okay guys, so I am going to try my hand at making some homemade like potpourri in the crock pot. Basically you just get a whole bunch of yummy smelling stuff, and I have chosen like holiday scented things. So I have like an apple, I got a whole bunch of cranberries. This whole thing of cranberries was $1. An orange and some cinnamon sticks, and then I also might like add in some allspice or some vanilla extract. I don't know, I'm just gonna have fun with it. But I'm just gonna stick everything in the crock pot with a whole bunch of water and let it simmer. And it can simmer for like 4 to 6 hours, and it's just gonna make the whole house smell good. waiting for the potpourri to start boiling. So in the meantime, I got my cheap little $5 wine here, and we're gonna do this advent calendar. So I know I'm late in the game. I know it's already the 9th, but fuck it. So I found this advent calendar at Walmart, and it's for dogs. So each window has a different like dog treat in it. And I know I have 2 dogs and there's only 1 treat in each window. So they're just gonna have to share it. And I know I'm a cheapskate, but these are like $10 each. Okay, so you can watch me struggle to open this real quick. Ta-da! Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Okay, so since we're already at the 9th, they're just gonna get a whole bunch of treats tonight. So let's see, where the heck is number 1? I guess they don't put them in order. Okay, so here's number 1 right there. So let's see how we open this. It's supposed to be childproof. Okay. Oh, there's multiple in each window. Oh my gosh, that makes me feel so much better. Okay, so voila and voila. It's almost like they know that people have more than 1 dog. So cool. Okay, now we get to give it to them.
Pongo, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh yeah, you see it, huh? Can you sit? Oh, good boy. There you go, good boy. Is that yummy? Yes, Minnie, I have one for you too. Can you sit like a lady? Can you sit? You're cheating. You're cheating. Sit. Take it real gentle. We're trying to work with her. Take it real gentle. Ah, that's not gentle. Take it real nice. Real nice. Oh, okay. Well, that's a little better. Nom 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 nom.
Woohoo! I think the first window, like another one slid down, and I think I accidentally gave him 2. So I'm just gonna pull them all out and then give it to them all at once. Okay, so I changed my mind. I think giving them all these treats at once will probably give them a tummy ache, and Pongo already has a sensitive stomach, so they each got 1, so I'm probably just gonna kind of spread them out and just give them to him whenever. But from now on, I will be opening them each day, and they'll get their treats each day.